If you're looking for the perfect vlogging camera, you're likely facing the common challenge of finding something that balances portability, quality, and versatility. Vloggers need cameras that are easy to use, offer great image quality, and can handle a variety of shooting environments. Whether you're vlogging from home, traveling, or filming action-packed content, there are many factors to consider, such as image stabilization, battery life, and low-light performance. Below, we'll compare some top-tier vlogging cameras, each tailored to different types of content creators. Let's dive in. First up is the Sony ZV-E10, an ideal choice for content creators looking for a camera that offers versatility without sacrificing quality. One of the biggest advantages of this camera is its APS-C sensor, which provides a major boost in image quality compared to many smaller sensor cameras. The ZV-E10 excels in delivering beautiful footage with vibrant colors and a creamy background blur, giving your vlogs a more cinematic look. Additionally, the interchangeable lens system allows you to customize your setup to match different shooting scenarios. Whether you want a wide-angle lens for landscapes or a portrait lens for close-up shots, this camera can adapt to your needs. It also comes equipped with a fully articulating screen, making it easy to monitor yourself while filming. The built-in microphone also ensures clear audio quality, which is key for engaging your audience. Its compact size makes it perfect for vlogging on the go, so you don't have to worry about carrying bulky equipment. For vloggers who prefer a camera that's incredibly compact and easy to use on the go, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a standout choice. This pocket-sized camera is all about convenience without compromising video quality. The built-in 3-axis gimbal is a game-changer for creating smooth, stable footage, even if you're walking or filming while moving around. It records in stunning 4K at 60 frames per second, which ensures that your videos look sharp and professional. The small form factor makes it perfect for travel or spontaneous vlogging, fitting right in your pocket without the need for extra gear. The Osmo Pocket 3 is perfect for creators who prioritize portability and smooth footage without sacrificing high-resolution video. Plus, its ease of use means even beginners can start vlogging right away with minimal setup or adjustments. Its intelligent features, like Active Track, make sure your subjects stay perfectly framed and focused no matter how much you move. Now let's talk about the Insta360X4, a camera that takes creativity to a whole new level. This is not your average vlogging camera. It's a 360-degree camera that captures everything around you, giving you full control in post-production to choose your angles. This opens up a world of possibilities for interactive or immersive content, especially if you're in dynamic environments where a lot is happening at once. It records in 5.7K resolution, ensuring excellent clarity and detail. Its compact size and flow state stabilization make it easy to capture smooth footage no matter what's happening around you. This camera is perfect for vloggers who love experimenting with different perspectives and want to provide their audience with a unique viewing experience. The camera's AI-powered editing tools also help streamline the process, allowing you to focus more on creating and less on editing. Its durability makes it great for action-packed vlogs, and the endless creative possibilities ensure your content stands out. For those looking for a more traditional mirrorless camera with excellent image quality, the Canon EOS R50 is a top contender. It boasts Canon's renowned color science, meaning your videos will have beautiful, natural-looking colors right out of the camera. The EOS R50 features an APS-C sensor, delivering sharp, high-quality footage with rich detail. Its fast autofocus system is incredibly accurate, allowing you to effortlessly track subjects even when you're on the move. The camera is also relatively compact for a mirrorless model, making it a great option for both travel and at-home vlogging. Its compatibility with Canon's RF lenses also gives you plenty of room to grow and experiment with different types of lenses as your content evolves. This camera is ideal for vloggers who want reliable image quality and autofocus in a lightweight, portable package. If you're someone who values high-quality color accuracy, Canon's lens and sensor combination will ensure your footage looks stunning straight out of the camera. With a solid battery life, you can vlog for extended periods without needing to recharge frequently. Next up is the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the go-to camera for action vloggers and outdoor adventurers. Known for its ruggedness, the Hero 12 Black is waterproof, shockproof, and built to withstand extreme conditions. It records in stunning 5.3K resolution, capturing crisp and vibrant footage even in fast-paced or difficult environments. The built-in stabilization is outstanding, making sure your shots are smooth even when you're running, biking, or skiing. With features like time warp for time-lapse videos and super photo for HDR photos, this camera is more than capable of handling diverse shooting needs. If you love documenting extreme sports or outdoor activities, the Hero 12 Black is the camera that can keep up with you, no matter where your adventures take you. The GoPro's impressive frame rates and durability make it a favorite for vloggers who shoot under harsh conditions. Its waterproof capabilities up to 33 feet without a case make it a reliable option for underwater footage as well. For vloggers who want the ultimate in professional quality, the Sony ZV-E1 is a fantastic option. This full-frame camera is designed to deliver cinematic quality video with incredible low-light performance. Thanks to its large sensor, it captures rich detail and smooth background blur, making your subjects pop against any background. It also records in 4K at up to 120 frames per second, allowing for breathtaking slow-motion shots that can add drama and impact to your vlogs. The ZV-E1's autofocus is highly reliable, quickly locking onto your subject's face and keeping it sharp, even in challenging conditions. This camera is ideal for vloggers who are serious about producing high-quality, professional-looking content, especially in low-light environments or when you need that extra wow factor in your footage. Its slow-motion capabilities offer the perfect touch for adding extra creativity and visual flair to your videos. Finally, we have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a robust camera made for vloggers who need a durable device capable of handling tough environments. With its dual screens, one on the front and one on the back, it's incredibly easy to frame yourself whether you're filming selfies or action shots. Its rock-steady stabilization ensures smooth footage even when you're in the middle of intense activity. The camera is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, making it an ideal companion for adventures both in the water and on land. It shoots in 4K at 120 frames per second, offering both high-quality video and slow-motion capabilities. If you're a vlogger who loves action-packed content and needs a camera that can handle any challenge, the Osmo Action 5 Pro will be your best friend. The versatility of its mounting options allows you to attach it to just about anything, from helmets to handlebars, offering you endless creative shooting angles. To wrap things up, every camera in this lineup offers something unique depending on your specific needs. If you're looking for the highest image quality and flexibility, the Sony ZV-E10 or Canon EOS R50 are excellent choices. For those who need something compact and ultra-portable, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a great option, while the Insta360 X4 opens up new creative possibilities with its 360-degree filming. For action-packed vlogs or extreme sports, the GoPro Hero 12 Black or DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro are perfect for tough environments. And if you're aiming for that top-tier cinematic quality, the Sony ZV-E1 delivers pro-level results. Ultimately, the best camera for you depends on your vlogging style and how you like to shoot. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned vlogger, one of these options will help you take your content to the next level. Check the links in the description to explore pricing and find the model that fits your needs and budget best. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next video.